Bang! Grandma keeps hitting his beautiful cake. Sam's stressed. Ah! It's all ruined now. Wahaha! Ah! What's Big Sis doing? Here, little Sammy. Ah! I'm awake! That was a horrible dream! It's okay, little Sam. We'll help! Yes, go! Make me good food! Poof! Where are we? Sam sent the team to the Me vs. Grandma cooking challenge. Let's do this thing! To first get over his nightmare, Sam wants the McDonald's. Help me! Oh, no problem. I'll be sure to cook you something organic. Oh, Grandma, you can just order the dish. DoorDash, here they come! Happy Meal is on its way. Boy, where do these guys live? This way! Ah! A bear! Why is the delivery taking so long? Uh-oh, do you hear that? Here, take your stupid Happy Meal. Here's a tip, and you better give me a good review. Oh no! The delivery order is all ruined! This stinks! That's it. I have to take matters into my own hands. Chocolate always wins. I just need a little help. Boop, boop. Wow! Big Sis got herself a robot's help. Fire! Wait, hold on. Malfunction alert. Stop! Zap. Big Sis's hair is ruined.
Wow.
But at least her dish is what she wants it to be. Stir in the fries. Sweet and savory for the win! Plop! Big Sis has made some excellent chocolate fries. It's no biggie, really. Tee-hee-hee! Meanwhile, Grandma is a complete karate chef. Hi-ya! Hi-ya! We have a new chopped champion! How are my patties doing? Yes! Let's get the burger all dressed and ready! A triple decker! Sam will love these veggies! A mega duple decker! I hope he's a hungry boy! Voila! Bon appetit, Sam! No way! What kind of fries are these? They look different. They're chocolate! Amazing! Onto this burger stack. It's huge! The Leaning Tower of Burgers. Kaboom! Uh-oh, they all fell down! But Sam still gets the perfect taste. Grandma, you win! Yes! You hear that? Me! It's me! Happy dance! Hee-hee-hee! Slime! Good. Sam, are you okay? I'm okay. Just give me some ice cream! Okay. I'm gonna go to work straight away! After all, the early bird catches the worm! All I need is my graham cracker crumble, and butter, and a lot of little mixing. With the batter already and cooked, Grandma's making little muffin ice creams. The icing will make it even more fun. And it'll look just like a real scoop. Pink and blue are the true chef's hues.
Oh my!
Sprinkle on some awesome sauce. Grandma's dish is no joke. Look how cute! She made 4 little ice creams for Sam. Where is she going? Oh well, I have to focus on my dish. Skittles are definitely gonna help me take the win on home. Got milk? Glug glug. Away we go! Grandma was on her way to the fridge. Sweet Big Sis is gonna help her. Everything will be taking its time to freeze. They're about ready. Come on, Grandma. We have a challenge to win. Spin ray! Reverse! Reverse! Big Sis is stopping at nothing to make a cool impact. Chocolate always wins! Cool, huh? Her dish will have this cool extra chocolate bowl. Scoop-de-doop! Whipped cream and Skittle ice cream scoops officially have a home. Sam, are you ready to decide the winner? Pick a little, talk a little. Wowza! The dishes have arrived! I love the muffin ice cream. They taste amazing! What about this recipe? It's so good with all the candies, and it's really ice cream! Big Sis, you win! Me! I'm at peace now. Now Sam wants all the snacks in the world. Will he be able to get it? Let's find out! This sure is a head scratcher. A woozy doozy! Big Sis has better luck. She has an idea right off the bat with Hubba Bubba Bubblegum. Yes! And honey water! We love that! Drizzle on top. It'll work as glue. She's building something good there. Grandma, however, wants to go the healthy route. Broccoli and cauliflower snacks. Who doesn't love those?
Oh my!
OMG, it's a skeleton! And he's alive! Ah! I'm gonna have a heart attack! I have to think of something else. Grapes! That's grape! And candies. I'll make a cute little grape wrapper dish. Big Sis, you made a castle? How? Oof. Ooh la la! Sam is impressed with the place. What's this? Grapes? Blech! No thank you! Take that away! But I sure will have fun with this! Tastes divine! Thanks, Big Sis. I can even make bubbles! You win hands down! Yay me! Up next, Sam wants a little chocolate action. I can't see! There we go! Thumbs up, I'm good to go! Big Sis is also excited. What's in her backpack? Like Dora, she has a lot going on. Ooh, Coke! Glug glug. Chuck, hey, respect your elders!
Wow!
I swear, kids these days. But hey, I think I can use this Coke bottle! Chop! This definitely has a silver lining. Grandma will use the Nutella and Coke plastic to make chocolate molds. Swirl, twirl, whirl! Nice! She has the perfect Coke bottle ready. Fill her up! More Nutella for the win! Squirt! Who doesn't love whipped cream? It'll be the best Coke bottle surprise ever. Grandma's very proud of her work. Here we are! The original Coke bottle label! I am so creative! Tee! See, girlie? Bet you still think they'll win! Aw, Grandma, that's cute! But I'll do even better! Check out my rainbow chocolate! Cool, huh? I'm gonna melt each bowl down so it's chocolate sauce. Just need a special mold. This way, I'll make layer upon layer of delicious sauces. Plop. Nice! Big Sis has raised the stakes for sure. This chocolate rainbow cake brownies look so fun! The sprinkles are a magical touch. Amazing! Bet you lose, Grandma. Just watch! Sam is ready to judge.
Whoa.
Fun! I love chocolate brownies. They're so cute to eat. Now for the chocolate Coke. Crunch! This is so cool! What's inside? Glug glug. Oh no! All the cream and chocolate is spilling! Grr, I hate that! Grandma's dish just ruined my shirt! Big Sis wins hands down! Yes, it's me! Go girl! Time to make sandwiches! Can you handle it? I think so! Time to spring into action! Marshmallows! Ah! Best decision! Best thing since sliced bread. We have to have the base. And some orange sauce. Yes. Perfect! Purple sauce, green, pink, and blue! Yes. Let's add the second slice. I got it! What happened to this toaster? I won't let it happen to my sandwich! No way! Ow! What a rookie! Let's think. Yes, I know! All we need is steam! Ah, yes! Ironing straightens out any situation. Give it to me! Let's make little tiles. Ooh, this design is magical! Time to color it in! All these colors are so beautiful! La-dee-dee! Hum-dee-dum! Grandma might have color. But I have a toasted sandwich! And Nutella! Gosh, who doesn't love Nutella? Look at this delicious chocolate! Yummy! Mine's better! Watch it, Grandma! Huh? Here we go! What is this, burnt toast? Ooh, look at this design! Oh, it's not even good! Thumbs down! Oh, my heart! Let's try this one! Wow! Look at the colors! This is amazing! This one wins! Thumbs up! Yay! Hey, who wants a kiss? So cute, cutie! Get to work! Now! Hee! We've got to decorate this face to perfection! Hey, how about we use some candy? We're here for it, Gran. Let's see it! A bonnet. Okay then! Nancy's up to bat. And she's taking the route of the candy creature! Leave some for the cake, will ya? Ha! Oh yeah, baby! I think our friend will be quite pleased. Yeah! This is perfect! Perfect! Presenting to you, drumroll please! Rainbow Girl! Nice one, Nance! Pops? Oh, no, no, no! Nancy, we can't compete with Pops! Look how delicious! No! Ugh. Okay, gummy eyes! Best for last. And what do you know? Perfect for Halloween, I say! Ha! Done! Wow! Gran's cake is a hit. Seriously, that pop and candy combo. How do I say chef's kiss? Mmm! Yum yum! All done now! Whoa! Ah! Wait! Guess they weren't in the Halloween spirit. Spooky cake loses. Big time! Eggs! Welcome! Decorate surprise eggies! Begin! Oh, yes! Nancy, got any bread ideas? Yes! Onto the pan she goes! Make it into a perfect melt! Mini macaroons! Oh my god! She dips them in the magic sauce? It's perfect! Now onto the cake it goes! I'd like to see Granny compete with this one! Yum yum yum! All eyes on you! What? Gran brings out a Choco fountain! And the Choco? Well, is our eggy friend not perfect for this role? That color! I have no words besides magnifique! And now for the most important part! Onto the cake it goes! Mmm! You must add to whip! Alright! A heart for our cutie! Ah! And… Wow! Mmm! Gran first! Yum! Oh! But those macaroons? Ugh, this is gonna be the hardest choice! Oh! Both! Well, okay, hug it out! I'm in the mood for some sweets. Make me some chocolate, please! Candy is already eating her chocolate bar. Let's take a look at the ingredients! There's so many, but Big Sis Candy still has to decide her course of action. M&Ms are chosen first. But Candy first needs to make a call. Oh goody! I have the goods now! Nom nom. This white chocolate is good. Let's add the others. And now it's time to apply some heat. Whoosh! Nice! A bit of artistic flair. Ooh la la! How beautiful! And now it's time for crushed Oreos. Now the M&Ms can really shine! Let them free! So cute! But maybe just one more thing? Peeps marshmallows! And our special gadget friend! You can place a marshmallow inside, and out come the shreds! Wow! Now it's absolutely perfect! I love it, girl! Alright, not too shabby. But I have something up my sleeve! My Milka chocolate canister! But Grandma has chocolate molds too! So she can pour her concoction in each square. How exciting! But she wants to add some fruit for a healthy flavor. Each chocolate will be a different taste. How cute and fun! Add the sprinkles for effect. The molds are ready. Ooh, this looks really good! Come on, let's get this! And Candy has her eyes set on the Milka chocolate now. Wow! I want a taste of this! It's a big one, all right. Come to Mama! Glug, glug, glug! Oh, boy! Big Sis Candy has had a little too much! She's covered in chocolate! Oopsie daisy! Grandma's concerned, but it's time for the judgment round. Ooh, let's try this piece.
Crunch, munch, crunch.
Wowza! But what's this? This is so good too! Both win! I can't choose! You hear that, Candy dear? Just wipe your face. And stay away! Now, little sis wants a full course meal. Will Betty and Grandma be up to it? This grill isn't hot at all. I'll wait. Use your brain, Betty. You need to plug it in. Fine. But I still feel nothing. Wait, what's that? Ah! My hand! It's burned! Owie! Oh dear, what to do? I have gauze. You'll be okay, sweetums. Ah! This hurts so bad! Okay, kids, do not try this at home. But a little kitchen mishap isn't stopping Grandma. She's going to get creative and put pasta noodles through hot dogs! Time to heat them up! Ooh, this is coming out perfectly! Look at my cute little hot dogs! I can braid their noodle hair so carefully! Such gorgeous braids! Little sis will love these! Now I just need to make little holes for the eyes. And the ketchup dots for the sweet effect. Little sis is getting impatient. What's taking so long? Betty's really feeling the pressure. What will she do? No, Betty, don't do that. Here, this is the right tool. What? Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, wow! This does slice up my hot dog. Now I'll use some miso ramen. I just need a place to put it in. My sneaker! It's the perfect hole for the ramen. Now it's time for Betty to heat up the noodles. The hot dogs go on top! Oh my, Betty! That is so unsanitary! It's time for Lil Sis to judge! The sneaker is just too much for her. She can't eat out of a stinky shoe! Wow, Grandma! You've really outdone yourself! These look amazing! I love it so much! Yes! Finally, I'm on a roll! Next! Cookies! Make them cute! Oh, gotcha! First, add some flavor. Eggs, too! Granny, you got skills, girl! Oh, yeah! Now, add butter! Just a little. Next! Sprinkle central! Yep. Mix! Oh, wow! Wowza! Confetti cake mix! Granny, you are amazing! Mel, your turn! Shake, shake, poof! Oh my god! Happens to the best of us! Move on to the butter! So slippery! Hey, watch the butter fly! I think I'm hilarious. Wow! Watch it! Oops! Eggs time! No shells! What? Let's mix, baby! Whoa! Ah! Come on! This is going great. Gran, you seeing this? Aw, yeah! It's time to get these cookies on their pan. These circles. Perfect! Satisfying. Now we shall bake. Come. How's it going, Melly? Aw, I know! Gran's frosting these cookies. Simply brilliant! Sandwich it. Oh, God! Ooh, okay. Bread? This is interesting. Chocolate. Take off the crust. Who needs that? Chocolate on. Yum, yum, yum! Mini magic! Another one! Fork it down. That makes for a great surprise inside. Wowie! Nice work, Mel. Now, toaster time! Pop them in. What's this? Ugh, okay. And then when we thought things couldn't get any yummier… Wow! Cookies are ready. Arena! Ooh! Cranny is first. Wow! Mwah, mwah, mwah. And now, Mel? The surprise! So crunchy! Granny! Woo! Check out them cooking skills! Take that! Doodle, look! We want lunch! Sandwich! Hi-ya! Mel? Nom. Granny's gonna win this one, isn't she? Ah! Oh! That could work. We'll start with peanut butter. Ah! Put my back! Back into it. Oh, no! Come on! Got it! And she's holding it hostage. Ha! Sorry, G. This girl needs a sample. You! Give it back! Ladies! There's plenty for everyone! Oh, I know! What's in that purse? The good greens. Salami? It's a bag! Not a fridge! And now, Ninja Granny! Hi-ya! Sha! I am so impressed! Put together your swirly sandwich. Oh, yum! Granny, you hit it out of the ballpark! Mel, look! You are so behind! And it's so cute! Melly, you are toast! Toast! A banana and nut sandwich. Not gonna cut it. Come on! With the peel? Salami? Something ain't right here, Mel. Oh my god! Who does that? And to make it worse, she makes a triple-decker Sammy. Tens and tens of… flavor. Fighting! Mel thinks it needs… chocolate! Mel, tell me honestly, you don't think this monstrosity is good? Sprinkles? Ta-da! Hee! What? My thoughts exactly. Here! Ooh. Huh? Oh no! Now you! Come here, sneaky snakey! You're all mine! It's so adorable! I don't even want to eat it! Nice! Snake! Anyone? Not surprised at all? I can work with these ingredients for sure! That's great! Because you're making waffles!
Grandma is ready for the waffle attack!
And looks like Rachel is ready to eat the ingredients. Is that Nutella in her teeth? Can't make waffles without sugar. Eggs. Butter. Milk. Look at that flour power. Mix it like you've never mixed it before, Grandma. Let me put my Nutella to good use. Let's put all the ingredients in its chocolate jar. Hee. Look at this, Grandma. Who can cook without a little magic? Grandma is really making the most out of her waffle maker. Squirt! Look at all the pretty different colors. 1, 2, 3. Wow! It smells so good. Gotta keep making more. And whipped cream. Oh, and sprinkles. Doesn't it look like a gorgeous waffle cake? No! Grandma's in the lead. I can't let that happen. Just let me pour my mixture in. Now we wait. And yay! Look at these Nutella waffle pieces. It's amazing, girl! Dip that in Choco. And add some sprinkles. And look how cute these are. Grandma's looking good, but mine's better. I'll be the judge of that.
Wow!
Ooh, look at this heart waffle. Tastes so good, like Nutella. Mmm. Time to try Grandma's waffle cake. Look at this slice.
Wow!
Mmm, this is delicious. I can't stop eating. Both win! Both win! Yay! Hugs! Great job, guys. You ready to make a donut? Let's see what you got. Yay! I love donuts.
Yay! Ooh, don't not forget the bowl.
Let's get baking, shall we? You can never have too much flour.
Yikes. Okay. Eggs!
Crack. Excellent.
A little humor to crack us up. Okay, I'll just see myself out. And let's just keep making the recipe, shall we?
Squirt! Roll up those sleeves.
Ugh, this is hard work. Donut, get me wrong.
Mix and mix.
Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato!
There we go. Let's carve this little bad boy.
This? No.
Ooh, time to make some magic happen. There we go.
Give me just a moment.
What?
Grandma's coming. There's nothing I can't do. Oh boy, it's getting a little chilly. I thought this volcano was dormant, but let it hear my donut.
Ah!
That was quite a journey.
Grandma, what? It's finally time for the icing. Squirt!
Wow! Ah, just look at this precious little gem.
It was worth the trek. That's it, Grandma. I'm gonna show you what a real donut looks like. Let's begin!
My flour shall rain on your parade.
Time for the next step. Squirt! Oopsie! And we got some eggs. Oh, it's okay to have some shells in there. It makes it crunchy. Ah, something's stuck! Oh no! All my hard work! Ooh,
I know! Let me chip away at this bread. Look at this! This giant donut hole is perfect! Time for sauces. Hershey's knows what's up. Let's keep pouring! Ugh, Rachel, no! Sprinkle it up. It's ready! Okay, you both want to show off your creations? Let's have at it. Let's go with this one first. Ugh, gross! This one is so yummy! This one wins. Let's just push this away. Grandma scores! Yes! How can we have a challenge without donuts? On your mark, get set, donut! Grandma's confident she's got this. What's this? How about this for a squirt? Ooh, tough play by Candy this round. Where are your manners, girl? Sorry. But I know I can use this mini oven to make the mini donuts. I'll just pour the dough in through the pipe. How perfect! Ding! The donuts are all cooked and ready. Now it's Grandma's turn! She's going to use the dough pipe to make mini donuts on the frying pan. Ouchie! Careful, Granny! A different method, but similar results. Now it's time for the frosting. Arguably the best part of the donut. The yellow color is so bright and happy. And the green is so cute and fresh. A little magic, and they're good to go. Candy is now double fisting it with the Nutella jars. She thinks they'll be the perfect topping for her donuts. Especially when you add a bit of sprinkle finesse. Look at these bad boys! Crunch! Add the candy and the eyes, and it's a little centipede! I'm so excited to dig in! Let's try this one first. Don't mind if I do! Now for a watermelon donut! Dang! You both win again! Yay! How sweet! A heart. Everyone draw a heart. On it! What's Gran up to here? Crack your eggs. Egg whites only. Heard you loud and clear, Granny Pop. Toilet? Are you totally sure? It's candy. Don't fret. Whip things up. Yeah! Whooshy! And there you have it. Homemade sweet and sour frosting. And trust us, you've never had anything this yummy. No way, no how. Keep on adding the layers. This will be perfection. Almost done there, Gran? Bingo! Now it's time for the fun. That's right. As we like to say, the cherry's on top. My. I think someone's about to be a happy camper. So beautiful, Granny Pop. Aw. Nancy, it's your time to shine. We've got candy galore up in here. Oh man. Fizzy teeny pops. But that's not all. Oh! Hubba bubba! It's the latest bubble craze. And it makes a perfectly chewable frosting. Dang, we might be some competition to Granny after all. Go on, sprinkle on those treats. Who will win? Time is up. Whoa! Okay. How's Nancy's? Not bad. Well, Gran, let's see. And we've got a winner, baby. Woohoo! Gran! You take the cake on this one.
Pancakes! Don't forget the syrup! What you think?
Hold it! I'm on it! You're very confident, G. What's first?
Wow!
Gotta make the mix. Whoa! Chef magic! Whoa! Mel wants to try too.
Ahem.
We'll have to go by hand. Meanwhile, Gran is ready to fry. Or not. She fills up her bowls with the yummy mix. Let her work. Quiet! Ooh.
Pinky! Add some color!
Whee! I can't believe it! Mel, you have to see this! How do we spice things up here? Mel, I trust you! And these bottles! She adds her colors to the mix. Shake! Yes! Do the rest! Gran! What's going on over here? Ooh! Starting with green eggs and ham? I've seen that one before. Oh, yeah! Up to the top! Pancake rainbow! Amazing! Don't forget syrup! Baby Rena, it's time to go wild! Wait! Just a bit of buttery goodness. Oh, yum! She's complete! Mel, take it away, my friend! Whoa! Are you making pancake art? We won't distract ya. Yahoo! Flip so darn cool! Hey, pal! Gran, look! Whatever. Rena, we're ready for ya! Get ready to smile! Here! Whoa! So much yum! Mel's treat gets… a thumbs up! Nice! Granny's turn! Slice it up! Red first! Not bad! Who will win? Mel's kooky crazy faces! Yippee! Take that! Whatever! Wow! Wasn't that fun? Which round was your favorite? Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos and challenges. Until then, we say bye-bye for now!